In this video, we are going to draw the circumscribed circle to a given triangle. This video is very similar to the video that we did previously with drawing a circle given the 3 points. Okay? Sometimes you would be given the requirements to construct the triangle, but in this case, the triangle was already given. So our first step will be to bisect any two sides of the triangle. In this case, we are going to bisect side AB and side AC. So using the arc tool, center start end, which represents our compass, we're going to scribe an arc, let's say 70. Remember, this must be on the construction layer. Using the arc tool, A as center and radius at 70. Scribe on an arc. Now we're going to draw the bisector. Now we are going to bisect side AC using C as center and 70 as radius. We're going to scribe the first arc. Arc tool again using A as center and 70 as radius. We're going to scribe the other arc. Just want to lengthen this a bit. Now we're going to draw the bisector. We're going to use points to identify. So this is the center of our circle. Alright. And now using the circle tool, we could use center radius using this intersection point as the center and either A, B, or C as the radius. We're going to draw our circle. So this is it, drawing the circumscribed circle of a given triangle A, B, C.